everyone. Today I'm going to be working on my 2002 Hyundai Santa Cruz. I'm going to be installing a hitch. So unboxing the hitch. There's the hitch, and it looks like so. The hitch, the mounting plate for the electrical, which I'm only using so far. My hitch I'm only going to be using for a bike rack, so I didn't end up getting that. The pin, and it looks like all the nuts and bolts for it. To lower the tire, there is this bolt right here, 12 millimeter, and really you just gotta okay. Next thing I need to do is remove these hangers. There's these ones right here. I just lube them a little bit with some lubricant, and then there's this one right here. And that's the only other two I see. So let me set you down for a second. And I actually ended up buying a removal tool. Let's see how this works. That was pretty slick. Get that out of the way. I suspended this just so the suspension just doesn't hang there. You know, I spent $10 on this tool. It is pretty phenomenal. I've taken exhaust down before, and sometimes these little rubber grommets can be quite fun. So it's hanging down probably enough. I need access to, you can kind of see back here, this nut right here, and these two, they're going to match up. These three holes right there. So this is a pretty straightforward install. Interesting thing. Guys, I wanted to make you aware of something. So I missed something. Can you see that right there? That is another hanger. It was on the back side of that exhaust. I totally missed that one. I just wanted to see if there was a little bit more room I can get to that bolt, and I saw that hanger. Came out just the same as these other ones, no different. I used this handy little tool, which I actually got on eBay. Cost me $9, so it was well worth it. Find the hole.
The hitch?
Yep. Hitch is installed, all torqued down. A couple of things I didn't tell you is this little wire right here kept on getting in my way, so I ended up having to just disconnect it. It was not hard at all. You can see how it just